I didn't run out of gas. You know, packing is like customizing your ride, your car, your motorcycle, whatever that may be. Right behind me, my backrest is too big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably move it up or maybe take it out. I feel like a big old elephant on an ant on an elephant. No, an elephant on an ant. An elephant on a cow? Something like that. Anyways, I gotta remove this. Alright, yeah, notice the gas is a different color. Yep, you guessed it. I ran out of gas again. That's why I have that reserve, right? I mean, we have the reserve for the bike, and then you have one for your rider, right? It's warming up. I got 2 layers of jacket on. I'm gonna start peeling because it's getting hot. And maybe I'll go to the bridge of whatever that is. Here I am on the top of Hong Kong. Yeah, man. I just want to take a break. My back is achy, tired. Oh, it feels good. Any riders do this? Any of you guys do this? Stretch the back, the hip. Oh, that just feels good. All right, time to get my morning coffee. All right. We're gonna head into Hong Kong, and then we're gonna pass Hua Hin into Petrol Kiri Khan. All right, before cracking a beer, I gotta make some. This is my lunch. Believe it or not, it's actually snack, man. Fried pork. Hard to go wrong with pork, man. But let me see if I could do this one-handed for you. Turning brown, you see that? All right, I love it on a weekday, man. Get out here early. The boat is docked up right across the island. You got all of the tourists. This is a beautiful setting, man. All right, home away from home. Cha'am. I got my music out. No one around. Little party. Yeah. All to myself. This is how I like it, by the way. Anyways, right now is lunchtime. Got the oil cooking over here, and it's ready. Let's throw some of this up in there. Oh yeah, that's it. Ooh. I think that should, you know what, that should be enough for dinner. Ooh, nice, man. Crisp up really nice. Got the music blasting. I'm in a good mood. And no one's coming around to bother me yet. Doesn't get better than this, I'll tell you. Alright, I'm going to be turning that thing a little bit lower.